Hi guys, I am C. Ridhima Mehendiratta and today we are here to discuss about the case of GameStop Corporation. And because the news has actually been viral about the increase in its share price, what about the losses which the hedge funds have suffered in short selling the shares of this company, and what did actually the retail investors, the Wall Street Bet subscribers did in this case. So the main three terms in this case, the main three important factors of this case are: number one is the shares of GameStop Corporation. Number two is the hedge funds like Melvin Capital D1.72. And number three comes in the picture is the Wall Street Bet group, a subreddit group which includes around 20 lakh subscribers when this case begins. Okay, so first we take a brief look upon the company, that is GameStop Corporation. So GameStop Corporation, it is having its headquarters in Texas, United States. Presently, the company sells video games, accessories, and the console video games through its retail stores. In February 2020, it was having around 5,509 retail stores in countries like United States, New Zealand, Australia, and Europe, etc., and many other countries as well. So it basically works on the platform of retail stores and has not entered the online selling of the markets. From 2016, it has been facing a fierce competition from smartphone apps, Microsoft Xbox games, and PlayStations. That's why it has been badly impacted and it's facing a decline in its profits and revenue. So one word about the company which I would highlight is that it is a loss making company. So keep this picture in your mind about the GameStop Corporation, that it is a loss making company. Okay, as we move forward, now if we compare its share prices in 2020, though on April 2020, the price of one share was 2.57 US dollars. Now what actually happened in the company, that in 2021 January, its share prices was constantly increasing. On 26 January 2021, the price of its single share was $145.7, which was again increased to $345 on 27 January in just one day, and to $469 on next day, that is 28 January 2021. Here comes a question that whether company took any strategic decision for its revival, whether the top management, the CEOs, has decided any new plan for the revival of the companies, for launching any new ideas for increasing its revenues and profits and boosting its performance. Then my dear friends, the answer is a big no. Nothing as such about the strategic decisions or the moves, or no plans for the revival of the company's position. Then what actually happened, that its price was increased to such a manifold times that if we compare its share price from April 2020 to January 2021, then we would get a return of 8,000%. So it was about the company's overall position. Now here comes in the picture the second main element, that is hedge funds. So what these hedge funds do in these cases? These hedge funds, they basically keep a track on the company's performances, that whether the company is rising on the basis of its financials, on the basis of its decisions, latest news and all, or the company is declining. And on the basis of the company position, they took their position in the stock markets. So seeing upon the position of the share of GameStop Corporation and the position of the company in the market, they took a short sell position in its shares. Now what is short sell position? So short sell position, it is a position in which you first sell the security at a particular price, and in anticipation that in the coming future its price will decline more and more, and when the price will decline, you will buy the securities at such a lower price and your difference will be the profit. So they started short selling the shares of GameStop Corporation in millions. There was no stop and limit to their greed. Now this short sell position is actually led to the decline in the performance of the companies, and even these hedge funds in the past has just not destroyed the companies, they have destroyed the economies and many countries as well, just by this technique of short sale. So actually it leads to a negative impact on the company, because it leads to decline in the company's market value. They just finish off the company from its root. So this is actually in India, if we compare this short sale and all in India, then it is in restricted amounts, but in USA and all, they freely done this and they have destroyed the companies. Now the hedge funds started short selling in huge amount in anticipation that the price will decline. What happened next? So here comes the third element of the picture, and I would say that these Wall Street Bet groups is actually the hero of this picture. If we compare it with a Bollywood movie, then the Wall Street Bet, that it is a one hero with special appearance, like, and they change the game, right? So they actually changed the game. This case is more of a war between hedge funds and these retail investors. So when the news of this short sale became viral in the Wall Street Bets group, now what they decided? They decided to take revenge from the hedge funds. They decided that they will make their plan into a big failure. They decided that we will cause them huge amount of losses in this hedging technique, in this short position which they had taken in the shares of GameStop Corporation. So what they decided, they spread the news in their group that we will now buy the shares of GameStop Corporation. We will create the demand more and more. And when this news became viral in this group, it was having around 20 lakhs subscribers, 2 million subscribers in the group. So they decided and they united, the more preferable word, they united actually. They showed their power of unity, that they all decided now we will create the demand for its shares. We will buy the shares in more and more quantities, and this huge increase in demands led to increase in the prices of the shares of GameStop Corporation. So they started creating demand, and the result we all have seen about the increase in prices. Now, since the hedge funds, they had took a short sale position, so they have to close their positions by buying the securities. They sell the securities at a lower price and they have to buy it at a higher price. So the result we all know, that is losses and just losses in closing the position. And these retail investors had led to the losses of around 19 billion US dollars to the hedge funds like Melvin Capital, D1 and Point72. And on the other hand, the other investors which took a short sale position, they have also incurred a loss of around 10 billion US dollars in this same short sale position of GameStop Corporation. So over and out, this unity of retail investors has led a loss of $29 billion. And if we compare that with the GDP of a small country, then it is around 34.52% of Sri Lanka's GDP. So you can imagine the power of the retail investors, in particular this case. Now this case has actually become a historical event in the entire study of the stock markets. This shows that if the common man actually decides and unites, they can take their revenge, they can move their steps towards change. But if we compare that, can we do this in India also? So in India there are huge restrictions towards this short selling and all, so it is that not much possible for the retail investors in India, that if we unite and we did the same, so we can achieve the same position, but yes, in USA this case is actually been a historical, now it will be recorded as a historical event, and it is actually a very interesting case study about this. And if even in the case, the news has spread also that hedge funds like Melvin Capital, they can even go for bankrupt with such a huge amount of loss. So we should all learn with this case, and it is very interesting case. I found it around, and people like subscribers of the Wall Street Bets have earned a huge losses. You have earned a huge profits in this. But yes, on keeping it as a practical point of view, then the company's position is still the same, declining profits. So even the prices increased now, sooner or later it will also get decline, and these retail investors might incur losses because now they have also start selling, since they have bought the shares. Maybe they will incur losses, but the point is not about the profits or the losses here. It is about the revenge that they took from these hedge funds. I guess these hedge funds should learn a lesson from this, that if the common man decides, they can do for the change. And it's not just for the hedge funds and all, it's just for a democratic countries as well. So we can see the power which a common man is having, that this case shows more. Thank you.